Best part about Save Club for me is it's not embarrassing to talk about or promote. Not that I am like a fashionista with the best reputation and image on Facebook, because if you go to my Facebook page, I mix my personal page with business. Okay? I don't know how many people have Kiss dolls and Kiss lamps and Legos and who knows what else. I think I got a few, well, I got about 320 Hot Wheels hanging in back of my head. But I love Save Club because you can be yourself. You can relax. If you want to do video like I'm doing right now, do it. Just put on your webcam or talk on your cell phone in selfie mode. And if you're new, just admit it. I have zero experience. I'm nervous. I don't know what I'm doing. But with Save Club, I like it. I love it. And I want you to click a link and see if you like it as much as I do. And that's it. That's all you got to say. It's not embarrassing to me. If you want to save money, you got 20 bucks. You should look into it. 20 bucks minus 3 pennies. What a deal. You can search and search. You can put in your area code. All right. Zip code. Put in, I don't know, some code. But gosh darn it. See if there's some businesses around your neck of the woods that might be like a little diner or a restaurant, maybe a personal gym or a trainer, maybe a tanning salon, or maybe someone has their own little auto body shop or auto repair place. I have a lot of friends that have their own businesses. They are not the Fortune 500, 100, or Fortune 50 companies like, Delta Airlines, Amazon, Apple, Walmart. Believe it or not, billion-dollar companies are already a part of Save Club. It's very exciting. And when you put Priceline and Orbitz side by side with Save Club, we're already beating their deals. And you don't have to go out of your way to compare. Every time you look at something, if there's another deal, for example, buy Orbitz or Priceline, it shows the pricing. And it's awesome that we are 2 days away, June 1st of 2025. We're not even out of pre-launch yet, and we're already beating the competitors on overall price. It's going to be exciting. Imagine in 3 to 6 months, a year, when we have 1 million members and we have 1 million opportunities worldwide, the savings should be even bigger. There's just power in numbers. Boy, if we have 1 million member opportunity to give to a business, yes, a small little business like right down the street from your house, or Delta Airlines, Lyft, get a ride to the airport, get on that plane, stay at hotels, go on cruises. You can go to Home Depot, you can go to Walmart, go just about anywhere fast food wise, Subway, Burger King, Wendy's. I love those Wendy's Frosties. I got to admit, when it comes to those chocolate Frosties, I'd like to have 2 or 3 of them a day. Maybe one a week. I'm trying to mellow out on this old almost 60-year-old body of mine. But there's a lot of deals already, and we're still in pre-launch mode until June 1st, a few days away. So if you're watching me now live, please look into this opportunity because we're building big teams and groups now. I'm speaking to you if you want to be an affiliate. If you want to get out 3 $20 bills and invest them in yourself, and then let's get that 60 bucks back fast. Let's get a handful of signups, get some cash in your pocket. We get paid every Friday. Today's a Thursday morning. I can't wait to get paid tomorrow. Then I can go buy maybe another Hot Wheel and take out my girlfriend, Lulu. All right, little Lulu Marie. I'm going to take her down to the Piggly Wiggly and buy her a soda pop. And then we're going to hold hands. I don't know. I better ask her permission first. Every time I try to hold her hand, she kind of smacks me. But I like that. So, I love saveclub.com. Look right below my little yellow shirt here. I got my Kiss t-shirt on today. I love saveclub.com. I want you to go there, and I want you to watch a little movie. You ready to see what it looks like? There it is on your screen. Watch that little baby right there. It's 6 minutes long. It has our founder, Mr. Charles Moy. That's right, Charlie. He's going to chat at you folks. And if you don't like what you see, go ahead and just hit the X at the top right of your screen. Adios, amiga or amiga or amigo. Or if you want more information or you want to join, fill this form out right below. Poop. And hit that orange button. Then you're going to get an email with more information about this great opportunity. Or if you want to join, just follow the Save Club email. It's real easy. That's all you got to do. Then you can log in and check it out. This is what the official Save Club, I guess you call it the back office, looks like. You can see early this morning, I've already got, let's see, I got 2 people pre-enrolled. Yesterday was great. I worked a half day just making smart-ass videos, and I had 6 people pre-enroll, and it looks like 3 people said, hey, I want to join you. I want to save some money and earn some money too. So I emailed those 3 fine folks, and I invited them to my 2 private inline, my private invite. Boy, I got some tongue twisters early this morning. I need one more thing of coffee. Okay. But we have 2 Facebook groups, and I want you to join each one because you meet members all around the world that have no experience. They might be shy. They might have done online business and didn't really do that well. You're going to meet all kinds of folks all over the place, and it's exciting. I love it. You don't have to call on the phone, but maybe you want to text, maybe inbox, or just communicate through Facebook, or what was it called, WhatsApp? That's awesome for worldwide communication, but it's up to you. We have 3 live Zooms, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. I record just about every one and put them on my YouTube channel, but the best part is we got a lot of free videos, a lot of free banners and pictures that you can use. They're already designed for you. So if you don't want to do any video like this where you're talking to a webcam, or maybe you're on your cell phone behind your car, walking in the park, a lot of people, they have their comfort zone when it comes to video. I prefer just a webcam. This is a C920 Logitech. I have one of those little circular lights to light up my beautiful, sexy beard. Look at that, ladies. I look like Kenny Rogers, or do I look like Colonel Sanders? I could sell you some chicken and sing Islands in the Stream. Why, rocking all night in my beautiful Kiss t-shirt that was probably made in China by somebody 14 years old that gets 2 cents an hour. That person needs to sign up with Save Club, but you have to be 18 and 1 minute old. If you are in high school still and 18, you need to look into this. If you are out of high school and maybe have a job paying for college, you can do this business. Put an hour or 2 in a day. Screw off. You're on social media anyway. You're probably doing selfie videos or fart videos or doing something. Just do what I do. Invite people to links. And when they click that link, there's a little video for them to watch, for you to watch. And if you want to join, great. And if not, peace, love, and happiness. That's it. Very simple. Let the funnel, let the system do what it does best. Tell you about the opportunity. How to save money spending $20 a month. I've already saved over $900 my first 30 days. And right now I'm on month number 2 being in Save Club. I've earned about $4,000 already. So about $1,000 a week. I've saved $900 something dollars. And with my brand new funnel system, the only funnel system out that is above and beyond what you get for the $60 is available now. It's signed up as of this morning, 39 people. And guess what? The company pays me $20. It only costs you $25. And the company pays me $20 per person. So I've already made almost $800. I think I'm at $780 this morning. I had 3 more people sign up. And the best part about this funnel system, if people like the funnel system every month, I get $20 from each person. By next month, I should have 50 to 100 people. In the next 2 or 3 months, I should have 200 to 300 people. Times 20. What is 300 people times 20? Isn't that $42 million? I might make $400 million in 6 months. Or I might be off. Results aren't typical. Please realize I might be off on my math, and I can't guarantee any type of income, but I'll guarantee you this. Let's have a good time. You just go ahead and click both my links. Do you see these things on my screen? They're called business cards. I make them at Vistaprint. $22. You can do saveclubfunnels.com if you'd like, because it leads you right into joining Save Club. But it's a 20-minute video that takes its time. And I'm having more success right now with Save Club Funnels. But if you go to I Love Save Club, it's equally as good. This is what you get when you pay $60. This page is the money. This has put me in the top 7 on the leaderboard. See that video? Bam! Click it and watch it. It's awesome. And then put your information right here. Hit that orange button, and yes, open up the email that you get. And then let's get you going. All right, let's do it. Go through your whole back office. I think I'm at number 7 right now. Let's see. Yeah, look at that. I'm number 7 in the world. I've got almost 100 people already signed up. And they're going to get 2 or 3 people, maybe 5. Maybe you'll get a maniac like me that wears too much yellow underneath you. You know, if I pee my pants right now, no one can tell because I wear so much yellow. That's why I do it. And yes, I'm a Kiss fan. And if you look on my walls, you can see that there's probably a lamp and a statue and some other crazy things from that band, like they need more money. Okay, but this is the back office. Go through it all, hit my deals tab, go all over the world and save money. There it is right there. Boom. Salt Lake City will be coming soon. You put that in if you want to see local deals and worldwide deals, or if you're going on vacation somewhere, just find out their zippy code and put it in there and then search. Put in Costco Pizza. Look at, here's just some examples. Disney World, everybody needs insurance. Look at all these local places here. That's my mom's name in real life, Cheryl, with a CH. She says Cheryl though, not Cheryl. Spas, gyms, there's that damn Burger King with those dang Whoppers. Ooh, they're so good and they're so fattening. You like Ford? Good. Get $100 off on something. They have a coupon inside here, $4,900 off I was looking at yesterday. You can be here for 10 hours looking at deals. And yes, it's going to be worldwide. We're going to Canada, down to Mexico, across to the UK. We're going to be in Asia and Africa. We're going to be in your mom's kitchen. Yep, that's right. We're going to go and see what your mom needs. Maybe she needs like a turkey pot pie. And maybe how about a little cake? And she can sit and put her cute little feet up in her lounge chair. And I don't know, and watch the soaps. Does your mom like watching soap operas like Days of Our Lives or Young and the Restless? I watched Days of Our Lives with Marlena and Bo and Hope. Do you guys remember that? Luke and Laura. If you're my age, boy, the 80s was kicking ass with those soaps. Not soap operas. They're called soaps. So, anyway, what do you do next after watching my videos? Well, you click my links. I want you to go to both. I want you to join Save Club, and I want you to look into the funnel system because you're going to probably run out of ideas and not know what to do. Well, when you join our team, we're going to show you what to do. We have pictures. We have videos waiting for you. They're already done. Upload them. Go to YouTube, how to upload TikTok, how to upload Instagram, how to upload YouTube. Upload all of our content like crazy. You don't have to do what I'm doing now. Stay behind the scenes and just upload and get really good at getting the link that you get for that $60. You get the full website, capture page, and you're going to have your own link. And boom, let's get earning you some money. I'm excited. I want you to save money for sure, but I sure in the heck want you to make money too. So there you go, guys. In 12 and a half minutes, my work is done. SaveClubFunnels.com and ilovesaveclub.com. It's super easy process, okay? If you need me, there's my email, Cory@CoryDraper.com. And I love when you subscribe and you like and you stalk my YouTube videos. Ooh, come to Salt Lake and we'll hang out and we'll wear yellow and go buy Hot Wheels. Doesn't that sound fun? Oh yeah. That sounds fun to me for real, actually. All right, we'll talk to you kids later. All right, later, alligator. Bye.